Wetland Restoration, reviving nature's sponges. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that connects nature, conservation, and our everyday lives. Wetland restoration. Whether you're passionate about the environment or curious about how ecosystems function, understanding the significance of wetlands and the efforts to restore them is both inspiring and essential. Let's explore what wetland restoration means and why it matters to our planet. Before we delve into restoration, let's first understand what wetlands are. Wetlands are areas of land where water covers the soil all year or for varying periods of time during the year. They are nature's own water purification system, absorbing pollutants and providing a rich habitat for a diverse range of wildlife. Wetlands include marshes, swamps, bogs, and similar environments. They play critical roles in natural flood control, water purification, and biodiversity support. So, why do we need to restore wetlands? Over the past centuries, a significant portion of the world's wetlands have been drained or damaged due to agricultural expansion, urban development, and pollution. This loss has had profound impacts on biodiversity, climate regulation, and community protection from floods. Wetland restoration aims to reverse these damages, bringing us to the core concept of wetland restoration itself. Wetland restoration is the process of rehabilitating wetland ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed. This involves a range of activities such as replanting native vegetation, removing invasive species, and reconstructing natural water flow. The ultimate goal is to recreate, as closely as possible, the wetland's original condition, to revive its ecological functions and benefits for nature and people alike. Restoring wetlands brings numerous benefits. Ecologically, it enhances biodiversity by providing habitats for various species. From a climate perspective, wetlands act as carbon sinks, helping to mitigate climate change. For communities, restored wetlands offer improved water quality, flood protection, and opportunities for recreation and education. Economically, healthy wetlands can boost local economies through tourism, fishing, and agriculture. While the benefits are vast, wetland restoration faces challenges such as funding, public awareness, and ongoing threats from pollution and climate change. Addressing these requires a combined effort from governments, NGOs, communities, and individuals. Education and awareness are key, as is the development of sustainable land use policies. Innovative restoration techniques and continuous research are also crucial for overcoming these challenges. Wetland restoration is more than just an environmental initiative. It's a crucial step towards sustaining our planet's health and ensuring a resilient future for the next generations. By understanding and supporting these efforts, we can all play a part in reviving these vital ecosystems. Thank you for joining me today to explore the importance of wetland restoration. Let's stay curious and motivated about preserving our beautiful planet. Remember, every small action counts in making a big difference. See you in the next video.